Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming cylinder 3 is the culprit. Plug in an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner and note the P0303 code and any related codes. Once done, warm the engine to operating temperature, then turn it off so you can work safely. Remove the ignition coil or wire for cylinder 3 and inspect the spark plug. Look for oil, carbon, or a worn electrode. You want to act now on visible failures, replace the plug if damaged, and keep the old part for comparison. Next, focus on ignition and fuel delivery for cylinder 3. Test the coil using a multimeter and verify spark with a proper inline tester or by observing consistent ignition while cranking. Lack of spark points to the coil or wiring. Then test the injector. Listen for its click, use a Noid light, or swap it with another cylinder to see if the misfire follows. If both systems look good, perform a compression test to rule out valves, rings, or head gasket problems. Finish by installing the new or repaired components. A fresh spark plug, replacement coil, or a serviced injector. Tighten to manufacturer torque and reconnect the battery. Clear codes with your scanner, then run the engine and observe live data for cylinder balance and misfire counts. You should see the P0303 resolved. If the misfire returns, focus your troubleshooting on wiring integrity, ground paths, ECU signals, intake vacuum leaks, or perform a leak down test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.